You may or may not know that I do a little bit of running. I don't know, I'm saying it like that. I went running a few weeks back and stacked it just on a flat piece of concrete. It was just like a little bit of like, I don't know, bit of pavement that had broken, wasn't looking what I was doing, fell straight over. I just stacked it like a sack of spuds and just, yeah, smashed my elbow, smashed my knees, and ever since then I've had a little bit of pain in my knee. Not majorly, just kind of like more of a niggle, and it's been maybe 3 weeks now, and I've not run since, and that's why I kind of feel like I'm a little bit more stable on 2 wheels perhaps than I am 2 legs. However, I do really like running, especially in winter. And so I thought I'd just go and get it checked out. I'm off to see my friend Burt, who's physio, bike fitter. I'll ask him to have a quick look over my knee and see how it is. Okay, so I'm here with Phil.
Hello!
But when I first did it, I was like, Phil, I thought, oh, what do I do? And it's just like, what did you say? You were just like, Katie.
Why were you running? Can you stand on your sore knee and just do a single knee bend and tell me if that feels okay?
Oh,
And start sizing my hands so we don't pass anything on. Feel around your right knee like that, okay? Just by your, and how's this feel, the same?
just a little bit uncomfortable.
Okay, then I'm going to bend your knee up, okay? I'm just going to go into full flexion of this. That's all.
Yeah.
Right, so that's definitely feeling a little bit tender around what we call your patella or kneecap, right? Let's have a look at your muscles seem in good shape. Let's just stiff that. Hamstring flexibility, brilliant. Let's just rotate here. The good news is internal integrity of your knee and your ligaments. So your ligaments hold your knee together. Tendons attach your muscles over the joint. They're all fine. So what I think's happened is, I don't know if you can see, you've landed with this knee slightly bent. At the moment, you can see you've got a bit of effusion that's consolidating now. You didn't have a massive effusion on your knee, did you?
No, I had no swelling, no bruising.
That's because you haven't torn anything inside your knee, but it then floods out a huge amount of fluid and goes like a balloon. What this has done is this is localised, very superficial swelling that's right in front of the kneecap. So, how do we manage this? Katie, I think cycling's brilliant for this type of thing because it encourages early movement. You've got your range back and you're absolutely fine. This will get better. You're only 3 weeks in. Remember, initial stages of healing are 6 weeks. What I think we should do is engage you in compression with ice after exercise and as frequently as you can. So literally 3 or 4 times a day. Right. So I'd avoid running for another 3 weeks if you could, all right? Okay. To give it a chance to heal up and settle, yeah? Cycling's brilliant for it though. I would always say that, but it is.
Thank you so much.
No worries. We'll check in when you're in 3 weeks' time, right? Just really key is being warm, so making sure you're wearing the right clothing or that you're getting warmed up before you go out, you know. No such thing as the wrong weather, just the wrong clothing, isn't there?
Exactly, yeah.
Especially in cycling, but I think in running it just becomes even more exponentially more important, you know. So, and making sure, you know, the usual things with running is just like, you know, making sure your equipment's good. So if your trainers are knackered, get new ones. Don't run a marathon, then your brand new trainers don't break them in, things like that. You know, just...
Oh, thanks very much.
Alrighty,
Right.
See you later.
Right, I promise I won't run. Stool on top of the chair.
Yeah, that sounds like it's going to end up a disaster, doesn't it? We've got the tall tripod. Why don't you put your camera on the tripod? Oh, right, yeah.
I can try and just like bend it around. I'm sorry, I've got a hole in my sock.
Oh, I've seen far worse than that.